guys, welcome back to our next one, and today I'm gonna be pranking your friend Wandan. Okay, right now he's at work, so I said this is the perfect time to do this prank. Okay, it's gonna be a cheating prank. When he reach home, okay, he gonna see lingerie on the stairs, he gonna see a man pants on the stairs, a man shirt on the stairs, and he gonna be hearing some noise, okay, because I'm gonna be getting it on. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get like a panty and a bra or a little like lingerie and throw it on the stairs. So I'm gonna turn the pants, one of the legs inside out, and drop it on the ground, put one of the boxes them inside out, put it on the ground, so when he walking up that stairs and he see that panty and that bra and that lingerie, I hear that moaning going on upstairs. Oh my gosh, guys. So guys, I'm gonna go find some moaning sounds somewhere and I'm gonna be playing it loud. I'm just gonna be like checking to see when he coming home, and as soon as he reach home, boy, them moaning sounds gonna be up. So guys, pray for him, okay? Pray for me too. You see what I do for y'all? You see what I do for y'all, okay? So anyways, guys, I'm about to go set up the camera downstairs. I'm gonna set up another one up here, okay? And I will be back. So guys, this is the lingerie and the socks and the man pants and his vest and the boxers. And the next panty here. So guys, he was just calling my phone, like he called my phone like 3 times and I answer, and I'm not going to answer either. So this gonna make it even more believable when he come in that house and see them man clothes and my lingerie on the ground. Okay, so stay tuned.
Olivia! Olivia! Up me box lad door, Olivia!
What, babe?
Up me the ras door, hold that!
I'm doing my hair!
Do what kind of blood clot here, Olivia? Up me door!
I'm doing
Who you
my
have to
hair,
go to the
babe.
ras bathroom?
I'm doing my hair, babe.
Olivia, up
Wait.
me door!
Wait.
Up me door now!
Babe, I'm
Be
doing my
up
hair.
what? Don't be at me around.
I'm doing my hair.
Don't be up me door! No make me kick you off, Olivia.
Baby,
No.
I'm doing my hair. Wait.
No make me kick it off!
Wait, baby, when?
Be up what? No be at me a ras. Up me door, man!
Babe, I
I'm
come
getting
in.
chased up the blood clot door, Olivia.
You gonna
One.
mash up the door.
2. Up me door. 3.
Babe, I washing my hair. I mean, I'm combing it.
What's so kind of here? I know you have to come, girl. Nobody play with me. Up me door now.
No, babe, wait.
Olivia. Don't play with me. Up me door now.
Babe,
I want to sound them here. I know you have the door. I full stuff them up on the stairs.
That's laundry.
Okay, no laundry up on the stairs.
That's laundry,
You take
babe.
me for blood clot in there. Olivia, cut me door now.
Babe,
Cut me
you
door
gonna
now.
break
Don't
the
make
door.
me damage it. Olivia, don't make me damage the door.
I wash it. I
Me
mean,
not about to talk you with you. Cut me door before me kick it off.
I'm combing my hair,
Olivia,
babe.
you know me stay. Me not play. Cut me door, man.
I'm combing my hair.
Olivia, anybody in them will fly them back. Anybody.
There's
Olivia,
nobody
up me
in
door.
hair.
Olivia, go downstairs. And me come back. And you don't know what more, Olivia. Me I tell you. 1 hour of your PR, 2 hours. Come here the raw seed there, Olivia. Up me door now.
Babe, I'm washing my hair.
Olivia, go downstairs. And me I come right back. Here, just wait.
Guys, he's going upstairs. I'm gonna open the door. He's coming. Hurry up, go in the bathroom. No, go back.
Olivia, help me do
Under
it.
the bed. Yes,
Olivia, help me
I'm
do
doing
it.
my hair. What?
So can I take back to idiot?
What?
Oh yeah, but
No, go back down. Yeah.
don't play with me.
What?
Don't
No, nobody here.
Don't play with me. Oh yeah, baby.
What you
Don't call me
hearing
so far.
things? Why you cursing at me?
Why you lock the door? I won't be hearing you.
Babe, you hearing
Babe,
things.
what? Don't play with me.
What? You see anybody here?
Don't play with me.
I think you're going crazy.
No, you are go crazy. You think me an idiot?
What? What you hear? Tell me. What you hear? What happened to you? You okay?
What kind of laundry I done? Stuff up on the stairs.
What?
Huh?
Nobody in here though.
So why you take so long to shut my door?
I was pulling my hair one.
Don't play with me.
What? You see anybody in here? The window, babe, really? Don't open the window. You'll mess up the screen. You're pulling it too raw. How it has sound? Tell me. Did it sound like this? It sound like that, babe? Huh? It sound like that? It sound like that? Or like this? That's how it sounds? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, comment down below, Team Livy. Come, tell them how it sound. Come.
Don't touch me. No,
Tell them how it sound.
You know I'm not better for you.
Tell them how it has sound.
You know I'm not better for you.
What's your face? How it has sound like ooh, like that? Oh, ooh, ooh, oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. How it has sound? Which one? The first one, the second one, or the third one? Huh? What you have in your hand? I ain't gonna even show them what you have in your hand.